I'm Adrienne from Act Now Creative. This is the Home Support Service, Action Segment 6, DIY. Whether you outsource your DIY or whether you have a keen DIYer in the home, some essential things will have to be done during this pandemic. And we have some amazing people out there that will come and do some emergency repairs for us whilst we're all in lockdown. There was a big rush just before lockdown to DIY shops for the keen DIYers to buy paint and essential materials for those jobs that they really want to do now they have time on their hands. For example, painting that kitchen wall that you've wanted to do for quite some time, or that piece of wallpaper that's coming down in the hall, making sure that that's back up again. Before you embark on your next DIY project, just stop, pause and think about the whole of the household. Communicate with each other about it. Is it the best time to start that project? Is it going to disrupt the home even more when everybody's already challenged with this pandemic? I'm sure that in a lot of households everyone would be happy to muck in and sort out whatever jobs need doing. But if it's not a good time to do it, just wait a week or two. Make sure that everyone's on board with it so that the stress levels in the home are kept to a minimum. So that is Action Segment 6, DIY. Please post any comments, ideas, helpful tips and thoughts that you may have. Make sure that they're relevant, helpful and positive. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for Action Segment 7, and in the meantime, please do take care. Bye for now.